Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna teach you guys how to how to add funny sound effects to your videos on CapCut. I know you've probably heard them. Let's play one. I already have ones here. I'm just gonna give you a taste of what I'm talking about. You've heard the funny ones from Nigeria, boy. Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna play the ones that I have. Okay, here's one. I know you've heard this one, right?
God have mercy upon us.
Yeah, you've heard this one. So these are the sounds I'm going to be teaching you how to add using CapCut. Let's find another one before we go on to do it. If you don't have the sounds, I'm going to show you how to download them on the next tutorial. So right now, we're going to find another one. Here's another one that I like a lot.
Bruh.
Right, brah, it's really short. Okay, so let's go to CapCut. I've already found a video that I think would be cool to use. It's very short. It's loading up right now. CapCut still loading up. New video. You can record your own video, but make sure when you record your own video you make time you make space for the sound effects. Always record with that in mind. Always record with it in mind so that it doesn't sound out of sync when you add the sound effects. Always make time for the sound effects. When you're acting with sound effects, it's different than just normal acting. You have to be cognizant of the fact that you will need sound effects. Okay, here's a video. Let me not stray. Let's go to the video that I wanted originally to add on this tutorial. Now something. Okay, let's see. No. Okay, here's the video, guys. Hopefully you did not see anything there.
All I did was pretend to love some stupid, terrible crap.
Okay.
Or you have a gift, and corporate America needs you.
Okay, here's a video that I am choosing for this tutorial. It's a very short video. It's loading up right now. I'm gonna show you guys how to add those funny sound effects. Right, so it's almost loaded up. Okay, I think I should go with this one that I have already. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna show you how to extract from video or to just go straight to the sound. Okay, let's start with the sound. Okay, you're gonna go to audio, click audio, then go to sounds. Right, don't go to the diamond extract, because if there's a diamond next to extract, it means you have to pay for it. So you're gonna click on the file, then you can go to device. These are the ones that I've already extracted. No, the ones that I've already extracted show up here, right? These are the ones that I've already extracted. Okay, let me show you how to extract from video. There's a video that I recorded off of this one. Okay,
I want problems always. God have mercy upon us.
I'm telling you, look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Who is this madman?
70-year-old man.
Where did this madman come?
I want this one where he goes, "This man." I like that one a lot.
I want problems always. God have mercy upon us.
I'm telling you. Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Thank you, Lord. Who is this madman?
70-year-old man.
And where is this madman coming from?
This man.
Yes, I want it where it says this man. Okay, so let's go to this man, right? We saw where this man is. No, but is this where it says this man? That's it. Okay, gonna go to. Alright. And then, okay, what we need to do is to cut it out. Split. And then find another place to split again. Split, right? And then you delete this side. And then you delete this side, right? You don't need that side. Okay, and then we're gonna move it, right? Move it. Okay. What? Okay. Let's put it over here. Let's hear how it sounds.
All I did was pretend to love some stupid, terrible crap.
Okay, let's move it. I think here.
All I did was pretend to love some stupid, terrible crap.
Have a gift and car.
Let's try and decrease the volume.
All I did was pretend to love. All I did was pretend to love some stupid, terrible crap.
This man.
Have a gift and car for America. America needs you.
Enthusiasm on demand. You pretend to like things to make other people buy them?
It's the world.
Let's add another trope sound here. I think I'm leaning more towards I don't want peace. I want problems always. Okay, let's go to file again. Remember guys, you always go to audio and then file, right? So these are the ones I've already extracted, right? Let's hear this one. Let's hear this one. Let's hear this one. I don't want peace. No, actually, we have it here, right?
I want problems always. God have
Look at my face.
Who is this madman? And where is this madman coming?
This man.
I don't want peace.
Man.
I don't want peace.
This man.
Okay. Okay. Remember where we had it? We had it over here. Let's delete this. Delete this part. It's here.
This man.
I don't want peace.
I want problems always.
Okay, let's split again, delete this part, and then let's hear.
I want problems.
I don't want peace.
Let's do this. Reduce.
I don't want peace.
I want problems always.
Okay, and then we take it. Let's hear.
On demand. You pretend to like things to
Don't
make
want
other
peace.
people buy them?
I want problems always.
Profession offering love for money. You can make $500 in just 1 hour.
Let's try and add another one.
As a late great man once said, "Oh yeah."
Okay, now we're gonna add something like sounds again. Then we go to files, right? And then we go to, okay, we already have, okay, no, let's go to device. I want that one that says bruh. Okay. Bruh. Yeah. Okay. Let's hear.
And once said, oh yeah!
Bruh.
Hey. Okay, let's
Welcome
wait.
to your first in Sousa task. Convince people to buy a self-balancing unicycle. If I can find just the right group of potential customers.
Hope dims for the trapped miners as faith leaders conduct a moment of silence.
Look at me if you want to see a guy having the time of his life.
I want to find it.
We gathered here today.
No, actually this one I think it's gonna work anyway. Sounds again. And then we go to, I think I want, which one am I looking for? I'm looking for, okay, files, the ones that are restricted. Let's see, is it this one? No, don't delete. Is it the same thing?
I want problems always. God have mercy upon us.
I'm telling you. Look at
I'm looking for something, man. Where did I find it? Okay, no, let's try a different one because I don't think I'm gonna find that one. Let's try that one. No, but I think, oh yes, here. Okay, this one, definitely. I'm gonna edit here. And then, I think I'm done now. Export. So, okay, let's hear it play out. Files again. Then we go here. Not download, just videos, right? Videos, let's see, is it there? Yeah, here. Let's hear it now.
All I did was pretend to love some stupid, terrible...
The gift, and corporate America needs you.
Enthusiasm on demand. You pretend to like things to make other
I want problems always.
This profession offering love for money. You could make $500 in just 1 hour.
As a late great man once said, oh yeah!
Bruh.
Welcome to your first in Sousa task. Convince people to buy a self-balancing unicycle. If I can find just the right group of potential customers...
Hope dims for the trapped miners as faith leaders conduct a moment of silence.
Look at me if you want to see a guy having the time of his life!
God have mercy upon us.
Today, hopes of a miracle, and we got one. A self-balancing unicycle. Everyone's
Homer S. may be the key to completing